Hi there, my name is Mark, a computer science student here in Taiwan. Welcome back to my channel where we learn more about technology while supercharging your productivity. And if you like this video, feel free to subscribe and click the notification button. So today, we'll be talking about what is cloud computing and how you could create, how could you learn more about cloud computing with community-driven power. So first of all, you'll be wondering, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a trending word these days in IT field and computer science. Cloud computing is essentially just using internet as the medium to deliver computing powers. For example, if you want to host your web application or any kind of web application, in the past you need to host and create and maintain your entire process on your own. It's called on-premise application. You buy a server at your house or your company, whatever it is, and you need to install all the software that's required for running the server, and you also need to maintain that as well. And after years of revolution involvement in IT industry, there's a technological cloud computing that's coming out in recent decades, which is that if you want to host a website or run any kinds of application like virtual machine, like container and so forth, you simply need to just renting a machine from the cloud that is somewhere else via internet. And you rent a machine or rent a space or rent a service. Sometimes you can rent an infrastructure, and it's called infrastructure as a service. And they also rent a platform that can host your web application, and also called platform as a service. But you also can create your own software and monetize this on the platform, which is software as a service. So from the bottom, there's infrastructure. At the medium is like a platform, and on the top is this software that you can use. Like these days, Microsoft certified software as a service, and a lot of people use Azure web service that is a platform services. If you run a virtual machine and configure it yourself, then essentially it's a infrastructure, a service on the cloud computing. So with last concept in mind, and most of the IT solutions and company, they really want to use cloud computing, deliver their solution to a client, to the end user. So that sounds interesting, right? And how do we, a student, as a computer science student, more typically, to learn more this complex IT solution and technologies? And cloud, there's all kind of technology out there, like containers, like Docker, Kubernetes, web technology, Node.js, virtual machine, cloud networking, and all kind of security functionalities, and all kind of server sites running up on cloud. And also you can also run the quantum computing on cloud. So there's all kind of knowledge we need to acquire, all kind of skill we need to master as IT professional and then as a computer science student as well. So how to do that? How to foster innovation and while accelerating speed of my learning? One best way to do this is join the community of developers. In the previous videos, I mentioned about how to create your own developer community and also how to join a developer community. We here in Taiwan University, we have a developer community called Google Developer Student Club. It's a student organized community with Google that will help you to learn more about cloud computing like Google Cloud Platform. And personally, I am a Microsoft student ambassador. I collaborate with them to share my experience and knowledge in Microsoft technology to empower students to learn more about Azure Cloud and so forth. And all of these are very important because if you have a partner that will help you to learn this with you, and really more importantly, that will accelerate your learning process and mitigate some of the pain that along this challenging journey. So if you wanted to learn more about this, we got an event next week and about Data Studio from Google Cloud, as well as a guy using Power BI to analyze data and visualize data as well. And if you're interested in our club, in our team, feel free to join us, and we got some information linked down below. And also, if you want to improve your software engineering skill, we got an event called Google Summer of Code, GSOC. We got to collaborate Taiwan's one of the best university, NTNU, and it's Google Development Student Project GDC to share the speaker experience on how to create a proposal that you can submit it to a Google Summer of Code, and you can earn some money while improving your software engineering skill. So that's it. If you like this video, feel free to thumbs up and click the subscribe button, and I'm going to see you next time, and goodbye.